So today we hosted the first ever Health Career Starts Here Madera High School Youth Conference for students who are in the healthcare ROP courses at any of the high schools throughout Madera County.
I am part of an ROP athletic training class, and my teacher had told us about this medical conference with tons of different learning about careers, and I thought it would be interesting to learn about careers I hadn't thought of.
I'm here today because my coach, the teacher of the athletic training class, she got an email about the community college putting this on, and we signed up for it and we came, and I'm glad I actually came.
I'm interested in the medical field. I'm in an ROP athletic training class, and I love to jump into the opportunity that I'm given to, explore the medical field more. It's just something that I really love.
They are learning in school about healthcare programs and professions that they may be able to get into. They are now able, through this conference, to have some very candid conversations with the actual healthcare professionals that they are interested in possibly pursuing that profession in. They are also able to learn some soft skills and resume building, how to interview, understanding how to be culturally competent in this healthcare environment if they were to get a job or a career in one of these professions.
Well, it gave me an opportunity to come and talk to kids that are in the Valley. I'm a product of the Valley, born and raised here. I went to school here, took off for school, came back after I was done because pretty much I knew I wanted to come back to the Valley. So knowing that there's kids out here that potentially are in my same footsteps, I kind of wanted to give back a little bit and let them know how I got into where I am at now.
The most interesting course I've seen today is the EMT course. It's really interesting seeing what they do, what the education is like, what a day-to-day basis is like for them. EMT is just something I'm exploring right now. My career path is to become a neurosurgeon.
I wish I had an opportunity like these young students have had to participate in a exposure session like this. I had to learn this on my own, and the fact that they're able to participate with the different agencies that have kindly come over to instruct and give some insight, it's something that they can take full advantage of.
I enjoy all the different medical careers that are in the medical field. There's a huge umbrella and there's different branches everywhere, and I'm surprised at how many there are, and it's never going to go away. The medical field will always be around.
I was invited to speak for Madera Unified and Camarena Health as a keynote speaker because I was sharing my story and they had heard it, and they were curious as to were there any health careers along the way that helped me get to where I am today. And I was like, yeah, like people remove my tattoos, 63 tattoos, and people in mental health helped me when I was ready to start talking to people about the things that had hurt me and why I had become so hurtful towards others. And then the behavioral health helped me with my substance abuse issues. So, if you kind of encompass it all, there's medical, behavioral, emotional health. And so I was more than happy to share my story, and it was a good turnout and a good event, and the students have been very nice and very courageous afterwards to say, hey, that was great, thank you for sharing your story.
I believe that everything that goes on with the speech and the medical careers and all that, it will benefit everyone, whether it be therapy, whether it be the doctors who help people fix them up if they've been hurt. It all helps everyone. It's a continuous cycle. Stay strong, everyone.